How to go live on Twitch on PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here is how we are going to get this done. First things first, I want you to head over to Google and just basically download OBS or Open Broadcaster software. This one is going to be for free. You can just go ahead and click the download button right here, and then you can go ahead and select the operating system you are using. If you're using Windows, just go ahead and click this and then scroll down and click download installer. So you are going to have to install this one, and once installed you should see something like this. Now I want you to go ahead and add the sources here. This is going to be very important. Basically we want to have a display capture and then set your microphone here as well. Now once you're done doing so, I want you to head over to file, click settings, and then I want you to click stream here. Now I'm just going to shorten this one a little bit in order for us to see the apply button down below. And then from here, go ahead and click the service and then choose Twitch. Now there are two options here and I'm going to show you how to get this done. So the recommended one is connecting our account, so we can just go ahead and click this one right here and just basically enter your login information. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click login, and then you are going to have to verify your account, so do it by checking your Gmail. Alright, there you go. So we have already done that one. Once done, you can just go ahead and hit apply, click OK, and after doing so, you can see that now we have here the stream information as well as the stream chat box. So that is an indication that you have already successfully done this one. Once you're done with that, go ahead and basically just hit start streaming down here. And congratulations, that is how you are going to go live on Twitch on PC.